Showed Dan my sisters and I can't remember. I was so young.
Diretso. Tapos, the next roundabout, diretso rin tayo. Just after the beer, ha? Ano na? Sorry?
Yung ibang mga tao dito nakatira.
Yeah, they have residents here, honey. They have residents inside the cemetery. They have a
Work as
community.
a caretaker of
Yeah,
some.
they take care of some of the mausoleums.
They have communities here
Some
and
of
they
them
live here.
are just and foremost settlers, but look at some of the
Look at
mausoleums.
the roosters.
Yeah, I know, right? But
Iba na rin, di ba ta? Like before, no? Tingnan mo to. Iba na rin
Sinicure
to.
na nila yung ano kay
Pinost na
Quezon.
nila.
Kay Quezon to, di ba? Okay.
I used to. I don't have one right now.
Okay.
This area is for babies.
Yeah.
No, did you?
Yeah. We got to like a city. There's not two like streets. There's two cities. Are we gonna go?
Yeah.
We're gonna visit.
Thank you. Morning. Yes. Okay.
We
Bakit tinambay na nila yung mga ano dito?
Yeah.
Ano yung tabog na asimili?
usually kasi ta, once na nag-rent ka, pag nag
So okay, what you said can also work for me. But I appreciate all your help. And bye bye. All right. So if
Yep.
Price, internet price for year round. Okay. First time to.
That one? Yung...
alam mo kasi, ayan o, naputi o.
Oh, crap.
Masyado kasi, ano,
Look, uncle.
Look, uncle.
Wow. So that's causing the accident.
Someone got injured.
Tignan mo naman kasi tayong karga.
they're not moving very fast.
Wow.
Did you get pictures of that?
Yeah. Gerald.
Yes. Parang ang sipag ni Gerald, no, ta?
Oo, siya talaga yung nagmamasa ng ano.
Siya
ng mga,
talaga ba?
oo, siya yung gumagawa ng dough. Tapos pati yung mga flavors. Si Justin, parang tinuturuan niya. Mga pasta, tsaka yung ibang yung natutunan ni Justin sa restaurant na mga
Yeah, there's a lot of places where I can tell that
Pero
the mountain has been scoured.
ano niya na mahal?
What, Uncle?
I said I can see a lot of places where the mountain was.
okay.
This one is like Sunday school for the children.
Sunday school. We have something like this, like a next gym.
That's for the preschoolers. We also have a Sunday school teacher
Hi,
today.
my name is Liz po.
Hi,
Liz.
welcome.
This is my husband Ken.
Hi, Sir Ken. Welcome.
There we go.
All right, so we're there.
Focus and stop it. It's okay.
Four languages.
It has 4 languages.
Kakain mo tayo.
Video of them explaining it.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
And this is solar too.
Okay. Yeah, this is solar powered.
Yes.
That's the
So,
name of the gadget.
And this
It
is
holds about how many language?
4.
4 languages
Four
so far.
languages. So,
Tungkol sa ilaw at nang sa gayon,
So this one is Tagalog.
manalig sa ilaw ang
and
lahat
then you change.
dahil sa Jacob, the father of Judah and his brothers. Nakukat magsimba sa iya. Sang makasiling sini ang
this
hari,
one is
naglakad
Ilonggo.
sila.
Hiligay
Sa
mo.
gilayon, nakita nila ang bituon nga dahil sa patutuon niya.
Tagalog.
Hindi siya ang ilaw, kundi
So it has
naparito
four.
siya
It has
upang
only what the New
magpatutuo
Testament.
tungkol sa ilaw.
So that's how
This
it
is the bigger version of this one.
yes.
Exactly the same though.
Yeah. Yes. So this one is. So this one you have. You put your
SD card?
SD card
Okay.
there. You could charge it with a universal USB port.
Okay.
But in among the indigenous people group where they do not have electricity, the solar panel helps in charging this.
Oh, there you go.
They
That's a solar panel.
they put it under the sun for 3 hours to charge this fully.
Wow.
Not here, not now.
And this too, it's solar powered.
This one is
yeah?
solar panel.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Ito po yung ating recipient ng ating proclaimer. So, nung una, dinalhan po kami ng 2 proclaimer dito sa Minuyan. No? Pero sa kay Pastor Nunoy Hamelo. So, ang ginawa po namin sa proclaimer, ito yung pinapahiram namin sa kanila. So, nung una, ito si Tobini, Benedicto Sagal. Siya ibigan nila, si Nanay Rebecca. 74 years old, so hindi na masyadong anangin daan para makarinig.
So, senior pastors too.
Sorry, I eat so long because I
Not the streetwalkers or anything.
At night.
Siya people.
Let's keep this one.
Galing Sampaguita.
What is that?
That's
Sampaguita.
No.
National flower of the Philippines. May Sampaguita ta sa
Do you recommend this?
Yeah, go.
Grab it.
How many uncle?
Good morning po. Okay.
We wanna say thank you.